Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix your washer if locked and won't turn on. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your washer is locked and won't turn on: a faulty door interlock switch, machine isn't draining properly, or malfunctioned sensor or control board. Here's how to fix the issues. Examine the door interlock switch. Examine the switch for signs of debris, wear, or physical damage. If you notice any of these issues, clean or replace the switch. If you decide to replace the switch, use the manufacturer's manual as a guide. Alternatively, seek the services of a professional technician. Inspect the drain hose for clogs. Locate the panel of your machine and remove it. Inspect if there are any obstructions. Remove any obstructions you find. Check if your machine is draining. Reset your machine. Unplug your washer from the power source and wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in. Check if the door lock releases. If not, contact a technician. And that's how to fix your washer if locked and if it won't turn on. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.